Hello everyone. Today what we have here is Infiniti JX35. Has 3.5 liter engine. The reason why I'm taking this video is the engine was knocking on this car. You couldn't hear it from outside or anywhere outside of the car. Only you could hear it when you're sitting in the car. It was doing knock knock knock, like very slight. It was doing it mostly at idle, and when you rev it up you could hear it rev. With the rev it would go up too. I listened to the engine with this stethoscope. I bought it from Harbor Freight. Couldn't locate the sound anywhere I looked, but when I was listening to fuel rail, I could hear a little bit of noise. And then I went under the car on the driver's side. It's right under the driver's seat, technically under the car. The fuel line, I listened to it with this exact same noise. So it was coming from fuel line. I knew it was a fuel pressure dampeners making that noise. All you have to do is replace these two guys over here. You could buy them from AutoZone or eBay, much cheaper, but I went with the dealership. They were like $133 for two of these with two seals. In order to get to it, this is not a tutorial but more like a diagnostic. You have to get the front cover off, take the intake out, remove the fuel rail, then replace these two guys over here. As soon as we replaced it, the sound was gone. It sounds healthy, no knocking, nothing. It's such a small issue, such a small parts to replace for that kind of noise. But as I said, first I thought it could be maybe rod knock or valve train noise or something like that. But this guy over here helped me a lot. Stethoscope. I listened to it everywhere, and that's where I found the issue. I just wanted to share the video, so if you guys have the same problem, you can find it. Thanks so much for watching the video, and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.